Ja, hätten wir auch gehabt so, nur das hätte uns 20.000 Pfund gekostet.
Ich meine zumindest die Terrasse.
Ach so. Good morning. The story so far in the garden. It always has to be worse before it gets better. It's just the way it is, isn't it? I can't wait to have a patio. So basically, this is not going to be a square patio. It's going to be a rounded one of this. So that's going to be only the beginning though. There's still so much to do planting wise, and up there as well, up there. So, but look at the weather. It's stunning. It's been stunning for quite a few days now. Let's hope it stays like this. Do you want to go out, Oliver? Now is the time before the workmen come. Come on, do you want to go out? Come on.
Just a test. This is a test. Just that. So we just walked in. That there is one pack. And that there is one big jumbo bag of sand. All carried in by yours truly and Mrs. S. Helping out. And the two poochies. The story so far.